G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digiscraphq.com, and I'm here today to show you how you can use JoinMe to connect with me for a training session. If you have recently booked a session with me, I am really excited to work with you, and how I work with you wherever you are in the world is I use an app called JoinMe. JoinMe is a little bit similar to Zoom, which we've all become familiar with during the last year or so, but it works a little bit differently. The first thing you'll need to do is go to join.me/apps and click download. Then, depending on your web browser, it may download at the bottom here, or maybe in a list on the side, but you just wait for that to finish and then you click on it and then choose Run if you're given a choice. And so once you have downloaded the program, you can just click on it to run it. If you're prompted to save or run, go ahead and run it. And then it just installs very quickly. And you'll see it appear at the very top of your screen after a few seconds. So if you're going to be working with me, you'll need to enter the code that I gave you in the email. It's usually digiscraphq. And then you click play to join the meeting. You just need to enter your name and then click join. It'll say it's waiting for a response, and that's when I will allow you to join. Then you will need to set up your audio. To do that, just click on the green speaker icon and choose computer for the audio. You can choose whichever microphone. Usually this isn't working because I'm currently screen recording, but you can tell which microphone is working because you see the volume going up and down in this bar. For example, like this one. You can test the audio and then adjust the volume. You can also use the volume controls on your computer and then click turn on computer audio. And you might have to wait for me to unmute you. And you can also turn on your video as well. Hi! As part of our classes, I'll often ask you to share your screen. Here's how you can do that. In the meeting, I'll pass you the presenter role. You'll just need to accept, and then your screen will change. This button here indicates that you're already sharing. If you want to pause sharing your screen, you can press pause. And then you can click start again when you'd like. With JoinMe, we are also able to share control of your computer. I can use your computer remotely to show you how to organize your photos or to help you with a task in Photoshop Elements. Of course, I can't do anything without your permission, so we'll discuss it during the meeting, and if you feel comfortable, you can click allow, and that way I will be able to control your computer. And at any time, you can press the mouse cancel button to stop sharing control of your computer. You can also use this chat bubble to chat with me. And of course, if we're having technical difficulties, I'll always be able to reach you with the phone number you gave in your booking form. I'll phone you and we can talk things through that way. I look forward to working with you. And if you're interested in doing one-on-one photo organizing, digital scrapbooking or Photoshop Elements classes, you can head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com/one-on-one.